I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your address with Barclays is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the Barclays website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. This is the easiest way to manage your account details. Step 2. Navigate to personal details. Once logged in, look for the account services or personal details section in the menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select the address update. In the personal details section, find the option to update your address. Click on it to start the process. Make sure you have your new address handy. Step 4. Enter your new address. Fill in your new address details accurately. Double check for any typos, especially with postal codes, as this can cause delays. Note, if you enter the wrong postal code, it might not recognize your address. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new address, review the information and confirm the changes. You should receive a confirmation message once it's updated. That's it. You've successfully updated your address with Barclays. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service.